Hello, good morning, friends. Hope your day is going fine and you are doing well by the grace of the God. Well, today I am going to talk about the compound effect in action by Darren Hardy. Darren Hardy is a writer and he is a very famous one, and he is talking about to use famous methods to basically be successful. So, number one is obviously a consistency. Whatever is your purpose or whatever is your goal, if you are consistent on it, of course you are going to be get success on it. Number one. Number two, our life is our choices. That all we know by this time, that we have chosen our life, and whatever we are doing, this is according to our choice, whether we are in our comfort zone or whether we wanted to go out of our comfort zone and do something. So this is also clear. Now, in order to improve your life, take small steps. It's not required that in a one day you are doing very big thing. No, keep consistent and take very small steps. You should be aware about your habits. What is the good habits, what is your bad habits, and if you have a bad habits, how to improve it. You have to see where is the trigger, and when you feel like to do that thing, and then you keep a pause into that habit by overseeing into it and taking care of certain things which you, for example, if you are eating too much of sweet, so you see that when it trigger come, when you wanted to have that sweet, in what mood and how you control it. I mean, minimize it little, and finally you can leave that bad habit. Then you should swap in, like for example, you are in habit of eating something, munching something all the time. So instead of munching anything junk, you can come into the salads, or you can chew carrots, you can chew nuts. So you can swap in, and you can basically these are the few things which you can do it. And you can in there are no basically poor memory or a good memory is, like there are two kinds of memory: a trained memory and an untrained memory. Now whatever you want to put it in your memory is, again, it's up to your choice that how you want to act upon it. So I hope that today this little a gyan, you can say a knowledge I have given you. And if guys you are interested to improve yourself and started to step in to something good, you can give a try. Yeah, so you can do that, and you can compound. Finally, you can compound these habits into the major one, and obviously you are going into the step of success, definitely, in a certain period of time. Today this much. Have a great day and God bless you, and keep on watching my videos. Do leave your feedbacks, do like and subscribe as well. Thank you.